Okay, let's go.
Lucy was like many young adults, working hard, trying to make ends meet, and watching her student loan balance grow faster than her savings. Every month, it felt like she was taking one step forward and two steps back. Lucy picks up a well-worn book that's been left on the staff room table. The cover reads The Simple Guide to Investing. She flips through the pages, intrigued but unsure. One slow afternoon, while wiping down the counter, she found an old book, an investment book. It was dusty, forgotten by someone else, but Lucy was curious. What if there was a way to make her money work for her, instead of feeling like she was always chasing it? Lucy began to learn about the power of compound interest and the idea of starting small. With just $50 a month, she could begin building an investment portfolio. It wasn't much, but it was a start. Lucy is seen setting up her first $50 investment, her fingers shaking a little as she presses the Invest button on her phone. At first, it felt strange. A small amount, but a step forward. Every month, she faithfully put $50 into a diversified stock portfolio, watching the numbers grow just a little bit at a time. Some months, the market went down, but she stuck with it. The months passed, and Lucy started to see her investments grow. The magic of compounding was working. Slowly but surely, her student loan balance was shrinking, and so was the stress. What started as a small commitment turned into a plan that was paying off. Years later, Lucy was able to pay off her student loans and take charge of her financial future. What started as a simple $50 a month grew into a bright future. She'd learned one of the most important lessons in life. Small, consistent actions can lead to big rewards. It's never too early to start. With patience, consistency, and a little bit of faith in the process, you can take control of your financial future, just like Lucy.